Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 GMC Acadia all-wheel drive, stock number Z9925XX. 46,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, crimson red in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seat 7 with a cloth interior, bucket seats in the middle row. Rear heat and air conditioning to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, trailering package, and power liftgate for convenience. Ample storage space behind the third row, 60/40 split seat, folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers, and very clean as you can see. This Acadia has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. With driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, full radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can sync smartphones, Pandora, or Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the center console. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Acadia has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 281 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Acadia, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.